All right, just finished up my 80/20 sliding bed. Figured I'd shoot a video and show you guys how I did this. This is in a 2024 Sprinter 144. The bed, as you see it right now, measures something like 65, 66 inches wide and roughly 48 inches deep. Basically a sheet of plywood. It's attached, the bed frame is attached to the wall to this L-track. And then I have 80/20 pieces going down each side and then across on, I think they're called door glides, right there. You see this works really well. I gotta do some adjustments. I need to raise the bed a little bit, but you'll get the idea here. And it's fully extended It's fully extended. It's 75 inches long. So bigger than a queen size bed. Slides super smooth. Let's see if I can zoom out here. Give you a little close up. So I have 4 15 series 80/20 pieces going across, 2 for each sliding part. I got a lock at the end here. And it goes right above the factory seats. I got to raise it up a couple inches because I can't move my seats in the upright position, but I'll take care of that later. So unlock it, push it close. That's it. I have a lock over here. And there's the door glides. So door glides on all 4 80/20 pieces. So 8 door glides. Had to modify that to work. 1 sheet of plywood. We used 3/4 inch just to give it some extra strength. Slides super smooth. I'm gonna have it so it has multiple positions. So I'm gonna actually add another lock right there. So there'll be actually 3 positions for the bed. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.